In this video, I'm going to show you how to add a Dmarc record in Namecheap step by step, so you can improve your email security and help protect your domain from spoofing and phishing. This is a simple but very important setup for anyone sending email from a custom domain, whether you're using a business email, a newsletter platform, or just want to make sure your domain is properly authenticated. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy tech guides just like this. Now let's jump in. First, log into your Namecheap account. Once you're inside your dashboard, look for the domain list option and click it. You'll see a list of all the domains you own. Find the domain you want to update and then click Manage Next to that domain. This will take you to the settings page for that specific domain. From here, you need to open the Advanced DNS tab. This is where Namecheap lets you manage your DNS records, including TXT records, MX records, CNAME records, and more. Once you're on the Advanced DNS page, scroll down until you see the Host Records section. This is where your current DNS entries are listed. To add your Dmarc record, click Add New Record. A new row will appear, and the first thing you need to do is select TXT record as the record type. Dmarc records are typically added as TXT records, so this is the correct option for the setup. Next, go to the host field and enter Dmarc. Make sure you type it exactly like that, with the underscore at the beginning, because this tells email providers that this is your Dmarc policy record. Now move to the value field. This is where you enter your Dmarc policy. A basic example would be VVDEM ARC1 P none. This is a safe starting policy because it tells receiving mail servers to monitor your email authentication without rejecting messages right away. If you're just getting started, this is often the best option until you review your email authentication reports and confirm everything is working correctly. If you already know your setup is ready, your policy may eventually become stricter, but for now this example is enough to get the record in place. After that, leave TTL set to automatic. TTL stands for time to live, and automatic is usually the easiest and most reliable choice unless you have a specific reason to change it. Once everything looks correct, click Save All Changes. Namecheap will then store your Dmarc record in your DNS settings. After saving, the last step is to wait for the DNS record to propagate. DNS changes do not always update instantly, so it may take some time before the new Dmarc record is visible everywhere online. In some cases, it can update fairly quickly, but in others it may take longer depending on your domain and DNS caching. If you want, you can later verify the record using a Dmarc lookup tool to confirm that it has been published correctly. And that's it. You've now added a Dmarc record in Namecheap. This is a great step toward better domain security and more reliable email delivery. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.